Do you ever feel like nobody is watching your YouTube videos? Well, here's why you should start, even if you have zero following and nobody is watching. Okay, today I want to cover 10 different reasons why I think that it's important for you to continuously post even when you have no views. Okay, so the first one that we're going to get into is skill development. Okay, when you talk about the more you make videos, the more you're going to learn. The more you're going to learn how to do your scripts, the more you're going to learn how to use the software, the better you're going to get at making those descriptions. You have to start somewhere, okay? So skill development is going to be your first thing. The second thing is going to be your content library, okay? When you are working towards building up, you need to have something there, right? You have to have a library of things that will eventually grow. But you need to show YouTube, I'm serious, I have something to say. When people get referred to your channel or when you're telling people, hey, come follow me, they want to see what you have. So it's best to have something in there. The third thing is personal growth, okay? So the more you create, the more that you're going to learn how to feel comfortable doing it. You're going to have more confidence going in. So as you're learning, as you're growing, your videos are only going to get better. Okay, hands down. The fourth thing, long-term platform. That's what YouTube is. So it's not like an algorithm that's just going to push everything out. And if nobody sees it in the first 24 hours, chances are they probably won't. That's not how YouTube works. You could have videos that you could be monetized on later, that could go viral later. So the more relevant that your content is at the time, maybe it's not right now, but maybe it will be down the road. Maybe the more you gain your following, the more people are going to go back and look at your channel and they're going to be watching your videos. The next one is SEO and discovery. So with YouTube being the second largest search engine next to Google, and I don't know about you, but I even search TikTok for things now because I'm like, no, I want to see it and I want to see people use it. But so the more that you have in there and the more videos that you're making and the better you're getting at those videos, you're essentially telling the search engine that you're there. So if you don't have videos, no one can discover you. Hands down. So the algorithm opportunities would be the next thing that I have to say. So if you want to promote that, right? So new YouTubers coming in, they're going to know when they're signing up, what they're liking, what their channels are. And so you're essentially, or YouTube is going to be telling this algorithm, hey, show this YouTuber to these new people. This is a like skill set. This is something they're interested in. This is something people are searching for. And so they're going to be best put on that algorithm and have a better chance the more videos you have. The next one is monetization potential. So we all know that you can do this 500 subscriber way to earn. You can do 1,000 subscribers and have 4,000 watch hours. And much like everybody else, you know, I would eventually like to get monetized as well and make money off of it. But for the main focus, it's really just sharing your knowledge and helping people. And if you have a passion to do that, I think all of those things will fall in line eventually. But there are ways that you can potentially monetize your platform before you even hit that and get into this YouTube partner program, right? So you could do this via the kind of content that you're creating. If you're, you know, kind of telling people to go and to look at this product that you have. Maybe it's a digital product. You know, I'm really someone who's going to promote the Canva crash course. Maybe that's something that you have, or maybe it's an ebook you want to sell, or a skill set you want to sell, a webinar, a course. Also affiliate links. So if you have anything like, I'm an Amazon affiliate and Walmart affiliate and Temu affiliate, you know, so maybe those are links that you put in. Maybe you're reviewing products. So you still have the opportunity as you're building this community of people and your loyal audience, you have the opportunity to still make money. Maybe it's just not in the YouTube partner program just yet. So just keep being consistent with what you're posting. Make sure you have a love and a passion for what you're posting so that people can feel that. The next one would be building a community. So this is where you have your chance to build a loyal audience. Maybe you only have 1 or 2 people who comment consistently, or maybe you only have 1 comment a week. Engage with that person. You're building this community, which is going to lead to stronger relationships and word of mouth. People are going to be sharing your things lately. Hey, she has something to say. You know, the information that she has is valuable, or she's entertaining to listen to. Whatever it may be, this is your chance to do that. And much like, or not similar to going viral where you can't maybe handle, 10,000 comments at a time, this is your opportunity to get to know what your audience wants and know what they like. The next thing is kind of creative expression. So for people maybe who are introverted and they're just getting used to the camera, or maybe they have other things and they don't know how to express themselves, this is a great way to do that. I'm not going to go walk down the road and tell people about Canva. Probably, I might, because I can get crazy, right? But it doesn't come up in daily conversation. So maybe this is a way that I can share that with people, or maybe this is a place that I can be silly and I can't when I'm just driving down the road. So anyways, it's a great outlet to actually just be yourself and be the authentic you. I don't have perfect skin. I don't have a perfect background. I'm filming from my phone. Just be you, because if you are yourself, people will love that. Okay, they don't want fake. I don't want fake. I want you to be able to get to know who I am. I'm Lauren, right? I want to build a community of people that like me for who I am, and it's the same thing that I'm looking for when I'm subscribing to people as well. So if you're into that, then you can subscribe. And then 10 is just the continual learning opportunities. So what you have is valuable. Somebody wants to hear what you have to say. So the more you continue to make content, the more you're going to be able to understand that audience, the more that you're going to be able to relate to people, to create relevant videos and information. And I'm still at the beginning of my YouTube journey, so I'm still trying to figure out what works, what doesn't work. I don't have this large community of people yet. And I really hope to have that in the future, and I hope that for you too. But just continue making the content. If you like this, if you want to see more of this, please subscribe. Let me know in the comments. And I really am excited to see where your journey takes you.